How long ago was this released? 6 days ago. Dre, you not on your A game. RIIZE Impossible. Dang, them pants look nice. Where you get them pants? Oh, whoa, the graphics. No shot. Oh, damn. That was a good transition.
Give me that beanie.
That beanie is fire, actually. Ooh.
Got me finding my dreams right now.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear. Calvin Klein, bitch.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.